Did you know that over 20 million homes in the US alone have a septic tank? That means 1 in 5 homes rely on septic systems to treat waste. Not taking care of your septic tank can be a costly mistake. Repairing or replacing a septic system can cost tens of thousands of dollars. One of the most impactful things you can do to keep your septic system working properly is to manage what gets flushed down the toilet or washed down the drain. Cooking oil, wet wipes, baby wipes, or hygiene products should never be flushed. If it isn't waste or toilet paper, it shouldn't go down the drain and into the system. Inside the septic tank is a balance of living organisms that treat waste. Pouring any toxins down your drain can kill these organisms, harming your septic system. Because of this, chemical drain openers should be avoided, and solvents and food scraps should all be disposed of without flushing them down the drain. Septic tanks should be pumped when the tank's contents are 30% solids and sludge. A septic pumper will remove the waste and clean the tank, removing any residue or buildup. They will also perform an inspection, checking for any damage or leaks. How often a tank needs to be pumped is dependent on the size of the household and the tank's capacity. Larger households will need to be pumped more frequently, while a larger septic tank will need to be pumped less frequently. The Environmental Protection Agency recommends that tanks should be pumped every 3 to 5 years. If you're unsure of how large your tank is or how often it should be pumped, call a septic pumping and inspection service.
For more water and wastewater educational content, subscribe.